Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car. Fast enough so we can fly away. We're gonna make a decision. Live tonight and die this way. that's the way it is. Said his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. Mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's got to take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. You got a fast car. We go cruising, entertain ourselves. You still ain't got a job. Now work in the market as a checkout girl. And all things will get better. You'll find work now, get promoted. We'll move out of the shelter. Buy a bigger house and live in the suburbs. You got a fast car. See it fast enough so you can fly away. You gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or let me die this way. So I remember we were driving your car. Speed so fast, felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and the all felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling that I could be someone. Had a feeling that I could be someone. Be someone.
You were looking at me like you wanted to stay. When I saw you yesterday, I'm not wasting your time, I'm not playing no games. I see ya. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold? We don't really need to know. 'Cause you're here with me now, I don't want you to go. You're here with me now, I don't want you to go. Maybe we're perfect strangers, maybe it's not forever. Maybe the light will changes, maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away, maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason. Maybe we're perfect strangers, maybe it's not forever. Maybe the light will changes, maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away, maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason why. Come on, come on, come over. Maybe we don't need no reason why. Come on, come on, come over. No one but you got me feeling this way. There's so much we can't explain. Maybe we're helping each other escape. I'm with ya. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold? We don't really need to know. 'Cause you're here with me now, I don't want you to go. You're here with me now, I don't want you to go. Maybe we're perfect strangers, maybe it's not forever. Maybe the light will changes, maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away, maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason. Maybe we're perfect strangers, maybe it's not forever. Maybe the light will changes, maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away, maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason.
We gonna ride, 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 ride till we fall. They say we got no future at all. They wanna keep us out, can't hold us down anymore. We gonna ride, 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 ride till we fall. When we hit the bottom, nothing gon' stop us. Climb to the top with you. We could be the greatest ones who never made it. Yeah, I could be talking to you. They tryna hate, but we won't change anything at all. Oh, we gonna ride, 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 ride till we fall. They think we just dropped out, living at our mom's house. Parents must be so proud, they know it all. No, they don't speak our language. They say we're too savage. Yeah, no, we don't give up anymore. We're gonna ride, 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 ride till we fall. We're gonna ride, 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 ride till we fall. They don't speak our language. They say we're too savage. Yeah, no, we don't give up anymore. We're gonna ride.